Welcome everyone. In this session, we will focus on NumPy arithmetic array operations. Arithmetic operations are at the core of numerical computing, enabling you to perform element-wise calculations, scale arrays, or apply mathematical transformations seamlessly. NumPy provides a comprehensive set of arithmetic operations, making array-based computations efficient and straightforward. So let's begin by exploring the different arithmetic operations available in NumPy. Addition operator adds the corresponding elements of the array. Subtraction subtracts the corresponding elements of the arrays. Multiplication multiplies the corresponding elements of the arrays. So same way you can see that these are the different basic arithmetic operators available that we have already understood in the case of simple data types. These same operators are applicable for the array operations also. Let us consider one example to understand the output of these different operators. So go to the VS Code. Here, as you can see that two arrays are provided, array 1 and array 2. And we will perform different arithmetic operations on these array. So first, we are performing the addition on the both array. So result equal to array 1 plus array 2. So it will give us the result by adding each individual element available at the same index position. Means we will get 1 plus 4 will be 5, 2 plus 5 will be 7 and 3 plus 6 will be 9. So here keep in mind that it will perform the element wise operation. It may be the addition, subtraction and any operation. Next operation performed is the subtraction, and here you can see that result equal to array 2 minus array 1. So 4 minus 1 we will get 3, 5 minus 2 3 and 6 minus 3 will be also 3. Next operation is multiplication. So if we perform the multiplication element wise, we will get the output 4, 10 and 18. Next division operation is performed. For that, if we execute, we will get the output array 2 divided by array 1. That will be 4 divided by 1. It will be 4.0. That is answer will be in the float. Then 5 divided by 2 will be 2.5 and 6 divided by 3 that will be 3.0. Next is the floor division. So floor division will give us the output of the quotient value with the int data type. So here array 2 floor divided with array 1. So we will get the output 4 divided by 1 that will be 4. Then 5 divided by 2 will be 2 and the 6 divided by 3 will be again 2. So these are the quotient values for the given division operator. Next is the modulus operator, and this operator will give us the remainder. So if we perform array 2 modulo array 1, so 4 divided by 1 remainder will be 0, 5 divided by 2 remainder will be 1 and the 6 divided by 3 again the remainder will be 0. So this will be our output. In the next operation exponentiation is performed. So here array 1 multiply 2, that means it will square each element of array 1 based on the given data. So our output will be 1, 4 and 9. And the last operation, that is the result equal to minus array 1. That means it will change all the positive values of the given array to be the negative value or the vice versa. So we will get the output minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now to check the output, run the program. Now you can compare the our discussed output with the program generated output, and you can see that we are getting the same output as mentioned over here. In this division case, we are getting the output 4 point, then 2.5, and here for the third case, if we divide 6 divided by 3, then we will get the value to be the 2.0. So here it should be corrected, that means 2.0. And for remaining all cases, we are getting the same output. So with NumPy's arithmetic operations, you can effortlessly perform computations on arrays in a highly efficient element-wise manner. These operations are foundational for numerical computing tasks and are applicable across various fields. It includes mechanical engineering, data analysis, and scientific research. So practice these examples to become proficient with NumPy's arithmetic capabilities.